Hello and welcome. I am JV with the Cyber and U team, and today we will be covering how to do a recovery on your Windows 10 machine. This is used in cases where your machine might be running slow, maybe you have some viruses, or a number of other things, but you would like to have a fresh copy of Windows installed. So let's go ahead and get started. Easiest way to do this, you go to the bottom left here, click the Start button, type in Recovery, and then you'll click this Recovery Options. And the only thing we're going to concern ourselves with is the Reset This PC. You click on the Get Started right here. And since we want to keep our files while still having a fresh copy of Windows 10, we're going to click the Keep Files option. The other option is in case you would like to wipe everything off of your computer. I would usually use this in case of me wanting to sell my computer. And we'll move on here. This is just talking about some applications that are going to be removed. And then the final step is to click Reset. Now it'll go through the resetting process. It'll restart it a couple of times, but we'll take you through each step. This process takes about, I'd say, maybe 5 minutes, and then the additional steps take another 20 to 30, possibly an hour. It just depends on how powerful of a machine you have. It'll restart the computer after it reaches 100%. After it finishes restarting, you'll be greeted with a preparing window, and then it should be resetting this PC one more time, and this portion does take a while. So like I said, it could take from 30 minutes to an hour. Just depends on how powerful of a computer you have. Once the resetting this PC is complete, it'll go through restart, and then it'll go back to this screen, and there's a couple more configurations it's going to do. So as you can see, it's preparing, and then it actually has to install Windows now. This portion takes another 15 to 30 minutes, I would say. Just depends on how powerful your computer is, just like anything else. But hopefully it shouldn't take too long for whatever you have going on. Once it finishes installing Windows, you'll be greeted with your welcome page. So we'll go ahead and log in here. And now it'll go through the standard configurations. This takes about another, I would say, 5 to 10 minutes. Just let it do its thing, and then we'll come back to it. Once it finishes the configurations, you'll be greeted with the typical screen. You'll most likely have this background if you had your own background before. And with this, that completes our little tutorial. So today we covered how to do a simple reset on our Windows 10 machine while still maintaining our files. And if you liked the video, please subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you in our future videos.